When buying a home, the most important thing is to make sure you understand what you're buying. Some people might say, but the house looks good. Wouldn't it be worth the peace of mind knowing that your newly purchased home will be there for you and your family for many years to come? A home inspection is a non-invasive visual examination of the property, reporting on the condition of the home on the day of the inspection. The average home inspection lasts between 2 to 5 hours depending on the size, age, and condition of the home. This inspection provides you with the knowledge you need to make an informed buying decision. Whether it is for informational purposes or to give you the opportunity to request repairs of the seller, you will have a very good idea of what you're buying. What are some of the issues that home inspectors look for? First is water damage. When water accumulates, it can cause a host of issues that is a red flag for the buyer. The home inspector will inspect the interior and exterior for water damage indications, which can be stains on the ceiling or walls, a musty smell, as well as the indication of mold growing in damp areas. He will look for water issues such as a negative grade toward the home, standing water, faulty downspouts, and more. Second is foundation issues. Visible signs that the home's structural integrity is compromised may include cracks in basement walls, uneven door frames, windows, and floors. Cracks and gaps between the walls and floors, nail pops in the walls, and gaps around window and door frames. The home inspector will report on the foundation of the home, explaining any issues so you understand what you're investing in. Next is roof damage. With proper safety measures, most home inspectors will walk the roof to look for roof issues. Others may use drones to handle this task. The home inspector will be looking for roof covering damage, plumbing vent leaks, deteriorated chimney flashing, leaks around the skylights, and loose gutters. These types of issues can also be found inside of the attic and even moisture staining on the ceiling and walls. These are some of the issues the home inspector will be looking for during the inspection. The home inspection is a crucial step in the buying process and worth the time and expense. You want to have peace of mind that you're buying a safe and sound investment for you and your family.